Hey YouTube, what's going on? Super excited for this video because we are talking about self-care for curly hair. And there's so much going on in this world, and we have to make sure that we are taking moments for ourselves, whether that's getting a massage or going shopping. But in this case, we are focusing on our hair. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys 3 moments that you can create for your hair that are literally maybe $10 or less that you can do while you're sleeping and wake up to results. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first moment I want us to create is incorporating hot oil treatments. Now this was huge when I was growing up in the 90s, the little VO5 plastic hot oil treatments, you know, that was what we did. And this is something that we need to bring back if we haven't already, because our hair, next to protein, is made up of a lot of oils. And unfortunately, certain daily practices, certain products and chemicals can actually lead to oil loss. And when this takes place, our hair is not as protected as it needs to be. So when we incorporate hot oil treatments, not only are we protecting our hair, but we're also making it softer and more manageable. So my recommendation is to use some type of carrier oil. It can be on your hair overnight, which I prefer, or for an hour. But what you can do is apply this to your hair from root to tip, and then put a plastic cap on followed by a scarf, and your body heat will do the work for you. Or if you have time to get under a dryer, that's fine as well. But hot oil treatments are a great self-care moment for your hair. Now the second self-care moment for your hair is going to be deep conditioning overnight. So after you pre-poo, after you shampoo, next is your deep conditioner. Now this is when you would take your deep conditioner, apply it to your hair from root to tip, put a plastic cap on, and then put a scarf on top of that and go to bed. Now the great thing about doing this is that you are allowing the ingredients within the formulation to adhere to the cuticle a lot longer. And when this takes place, you're going to get better performance from your conditioners. Now, is this necessary for every wash week? No, not at all. These are just for those moments when you feel like your hair needs some extra TLC in a sense. Now, when you do this overnight, you're gonna wake up to softer hair, moisturized hair, detangled hair, and much more manageable hair. Okay, and last but not least is going to be pre-pooing your hair. If you've been on my channel for a while, you already know how I feel about this, but pre-pooing is so important because it prevents protein loss within the hair. Unfortunately, excessive amounts of water will expand the hair, sometimes so much so that it creates fractures within the hair, and this can lead to protein loss. So when you incorporate pre-poos into your regimen, you're kind of creating this preventative method because these penetrating oils are getting deep within the hair to help to preserve the protein within it and to also help to block out excessive amounts of water. So how do you pre-poo? You can take your hair, just how I have mine, dry, apply the oil from root to tip, and then add your plastic cap, your scarf, go to bed, wake up the next morning, rinse it out of your hair, and proceed to shampoo and condition as you normally would. And I know a lot of you guys have been pre-pooing your hair and have been seeing the difference and seeing it as a game changer in your hair care regimen. So if you haven't tried it out yet, definitely give it a shot. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new, I have a question for you. What is your self-care practice that you currently do for your hair? And if you don't have one, which option that I provided for you today that you're going to start incorporating in your hair care regimen? Comment below, and I look forward to joining the conversation with you. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel for more curly chemistry content, making sure notifications are on. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and comment below. Thank you guys once again for being here. I really appreciate all of your support. And thank you guys for getting the Curly Girl's Guide to Hair Care Ingredients. I'm so glad that it is making a difference in your hair care regimen. And if you're interested in starting a hair care line and need some assistance, I have a special link for you below to work with me one-on-one. Alright guys, I love you and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.